Start.
Hello friends, today we are going to talk about some cars that may come in the future or maybe not. So the first car is this. So it's a mechanical car which can move, and it's a longer car for like more people to come in. So this can apply in three things. One is the boost, one is the satellite, and it can also shoot bullets. So suppose it's like a war. This can also be used. So we can go to the next car now. It's a drone car. So this drone car can also fly, and it can also dive. It can go on air and land, both. So if you're late for work and there's a traffic, you could easily fly over there, and then you won't be late for work. And then up to the next car. This is a truck. So this truck can load stuff and go to one place to another. So this car can load heavy loads of stuff, like suppose cargos, some heavy vehicles, etc. So this car can go on off-road, and it can be useful. Up to the next car. Pause this. Papa.
I cannot pause.
You can pause, Mitu. If you are